everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for clicking on this video, and if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me, and if you're already subscribed, thanks. So this video I think is going to be interesting for you guys because I do get quite a lot of questions about living costs in Dubai and, you know, what the life I lived and what it costs. And I remember when I was moving here, literally all I wanted to know was about what I could afford when I get there and stuff. And if you're maybe thinking of accepting a job offer here, you maybe want to know what kind of salary you want to accept. So I hope this video is really helpful to you. And it's also going to be a flat tour, which is exciting because we've never done one of those. I've lived here in this flat, I've lived here for nearly 2 years, and I've never done a flat tour video. Don't know why, just never got round to it, but yeah, going to do a flat tour as well to show you around. So yeah, let's get into it. So to start with, rent prices. We have a 3-bed, 3-bathroom apartment in Dubai Marina. I chose Marina because it's a really nice community feeling. Everything I need is here. I can walk around, and I love to walk around Marina. So I love it as an area to live in. The rent prices are a bit higher here than some other places, so it is definitely doable to live in Dubai cheaper. But yeah, I'm speaking for if you want to live in Marina, then this is the kind of prices. We initially had a contract which then got reduced. I find that the rent prices are just going down, which is obviously a good thing for those of us that are renting like me. So we renegotiated a lower price for this year. The price was 125,000 dirhams for the year, and it's now 115, so we got a 10k reduction, and we pay in 6 checks, which means it's bi-monthly, which is manageable for us, really. It's very common in Dubai not to pay monthly, but to pay maybe quarterly or even yearly, which isn't possible for me, really. But bi-monthly we can manage, so that's good. We've pre-written all the checks, and yeah, our lease is up in June. So yeah, finding a flat was also a bit of upfront costs. I think it is worth noting because we had agency fee and a security deposit, both were 5% each. So that's about 6k, which is just over £1,000 or something in British pounds. And it is an unfurnished, so we bought the furniture for the flat, which is also an upfront cost to consider. Then, as well as our bi-monthly rent payments, we have our bills for the flat. I'll start with internet because obviously that's the most important. The internet package that we have is just like the basic one, and it's $4.50 a month, and we split it between us 3. And then we have our actual bills. This is for electricity and water. Our air conditioning is thankfully included in our rent price. This is also quite common in large apartment blocks. It will be chiller free, which means you don't need to pay for your air conditioning, and considering you have the air conditioning on constantly in the summer, this is a massive benefit. So definitely look for apartments with that. So our bills for the flat are around 900 dirhams a month, and then we split that between us as well, so about 300 each, and then the 150 for the internet. So we're each paying just under 500 dirhams for the bills, and that's every month. Then the other things that we pay for are a maid service, which is around 120 dirhams for 4 hours, and then we also pay 120 dirhams a month for our recycling service, and it's good. I would definitely recommend Green Truck because they just come to the door and collect all your recyclables, and you don't need to worry about it because here there is no recycling service. So, you know, as someone that is definitely conscious of the environment, we wanted to get our own. Okay guys, let's begin the flat tour. I'm excited for this. I've been wanting to do a flat tour for literally for ages. Anyway, so I guess I'll start in here. Well, this bit is boring, but anyway, this is just the entryway where we've got some old chairs. This is where we put our Gibson's boxes. This is the grocery delivery that we get. And then this is our green truck recycling bin. This is a service that we pay for so that we can recycle. Then you come through here. So this is our main living space, and honestly when we first viewed this apartment it was this amazing space and this amazing view and all this light that really sold it to us. I mean, look at this view, like it is the thing that makes this flat 100%. We're so obsessed with it, so lucky to have it and all of this space. Around the flat we've got some cute throwback pics. Here's us with our friend Abby. There's Kirsty and Jen there. Oh, and this smells really amazing. Jen got it for us for the flat. It's delicious, makes the flat smell amazing. Okay, so ignore all of this here. The downside of this flat is that there's no storage. We've got Christmas decorations and everything just piled up here that we don't want to put anywhere else. Oh, there's more pics of us. Look here, this is us at graduation. Love this pic. When we were all working from home, Jen set up a desk. She's got her vitamins on display right next to it because she's super professional. And then we've got a dining room table. Please ignore all the washing that you can see in this video. Anyway, this is where me and Kirsty were working when we were working from home. We didn't get a desk set up, and that's my computer. I was just doing some work right before this. This is one of my quarantine activities. I painted the view. Just got it on display still. Yeah, like I said, please ignore this, thank you. That's just all our washing. Anyway, this is a little drawing that my mum did for me. I've just put it in a frame, and I love this view from this side of the flat as well. We can see the sea. What else can we see? We can see zero gravity over there. Okay, so that's kind of the main living area, and then we've got our little kitchen here. I mean, it's all super tidy right now because we just had our maid come and clean it up, but yeah, this is just our kitchen. I obviously do a lot of cooking here, so I'm in here the most. We've literally just got random stuff on the fridge. We've got a drawing that Nora did for me when she came to visit. That's my little sister who's 8. We've got some Polaroids and some delivery numbers, all very useful. So yeah, that is the living room. What do you guys think? Do you like our decor? Like I said earlier, the view is the best bit, definitely. Okay, so this is the less exciting part of the flat. We've got our little spare loo, which we use as storage for like Christmas tree and whatever. Very boring. Okay, so for flatmate confidentiality reasons, I won't go in their rooms without telling them. That's Kirsty's room and that's Jen's room. We all have our own bathroom though, which is the best thing. And this is my room. I have the biggest room. It is the master, and it's also got its own bathroom, and me and Jen's room both lead onto the balcony. Oh, this is my Beach City order that's just arrived. It's a new dress, haven't tried it on yet, but excited for it. Anyway, this is my room. I've got the same view that I showed you before. This is our balcony out there, which I'll show you in a minute. And then, okay, where should I start? I'll start here actually with the messy bit. This is my little get ready area with all my makeup and jewellery. It's literally so messy. And then I've got my sunglasses collection down there, my Dyson, obviously got the ring light for them TikToks. Got this cool rug, well I think it's really cool anyway, and this cool mirror. Where did I get the rug from now? I think from like Homebox, and the mirror I got on Dubizzle for literally like 150 dirhams, which is so good. Anyway, I moved this because it's not adding anything to the scene. The cleaners made my bed quite nice. That's how she's put my little guys on there. So yeah, it's good that I've got all this wardrobe space actually, like literally so much. And yes, I do use all of it. And then this is my little bathroom. Well, it's not that little, it's got the double sinks. And yeah, just got so many products, literally products everywhere. But then obviously balcony. It needs a bit of a mop out here, but allow it. We do sit out here and have drinks sometimes, not so much right now. So yeah, here's the balcony. We do sit outside here, and especially when it was warmer, like first lockdown when it was April, we were like tanning on here. It got to get sun like in the morning, so but yeah, we're not really sitting out here at the moment that much because it is actually really cold. So but yeah, obviously got our view. What's over there? We've got the metro station that you can see, so that's really handy. Literally get the metro quite a lot when I'm going to the gym. So that was my apartment tour and mini, like, I don't know, housing, financing session. What did you guys think of this video? Was it helpful to you? Let me know in the comments because I would love some feedback because I don't really do videos like this normally. Normally I'm just a vlogger. So let me know what you thought. And if you don't already follow me on Instagram, then please go check out my Instagram page and also my TikTok page and just go and stalk me. Like, that's fine. That would be great. But yeah, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.